Hello my dear students and welcome once again to Zenith Academy Online. Today we are on lecture 4 of the chapter Quadratic Equations, and in this video module we will be doing completing the square method. So I will explain you how to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method with lots and lots of examples. So without wasting any time, let's go to question number 1. 3x square minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is in the standard form? Yes. So what is the first step? The first step is to get rid of this 3 and make it 1. So the first step is making the coefficient of x square as equal to 1. So how I will do? If this is 3x square, so I will have to divide by 3. Here also I will have to divide by 3. Every term you will have to divide by 3. So if this is divided by 3, this becomes 0. So we don't show it most often. So we get now, let me change the color. We get x square or simply 1x square minus 4 by 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So first step was making the coefficient of x square as 1. Next step is taking this constant on the other side. So you have x square minus 4 by 3x is equal to positive 5. Okay. Sorry. Now what we have to do is, now the step is very important. See, you have to see the coefficient of x without the sign. So what is the coefficient of x? 4 by 3. Okay, without the sign. So you take this 4 by 3, you divide by 2 and then you square it. Okay, so 4 by 3 divided by 2 is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this becomes 2 by 3. Once you get a 2 by 3, square it. Okay, so what we did, we divided the number by 2 and then squared it. And then we add this number 2 by 3 square and we subtract the same number. So if we add and subtract the same number on any side of the equation remains unchanged. Na? If you add a number and you subtract the same number, then there is no change in the equation. So you can do that. Now, why I have done this? Okay, I will explain you why I have done this. After doing this, if you see the first 3 equations, okay, first 3 terms, sorry. So what do you get? You get x minus 2 by 3 whole square. How did I get it? See, this is a and this is b. A plus b whole square. I will explain this to you very clearly. If you have any doubt, you will understand. See, this is the trick that I have done to get the complete square. So solving becomes easier. See, x minus 2 by 3 whole square. Let's expand it and see. So this is x square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 2 by 3 plus b square. So plus 2 by 3 whole square. So this is equal to x square minus 4x by 3 plus 2 by 3 whole square. So isn't it the same? This one and this one, they both are same, right? So I can say this is x minus 2 by 3 whole square. So whatever is the first, x, and this is 2 by 3. And whatever sign is here, if there is a minus, you will put x minus 2 by 3 whole square. Then you have this remaining, take it on the other side. This will become 5. Here it was minus, it will become plus 2 by 3 whole square. Correct? Now let's open this. So this will be x minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 5 plus 4 by 9. So what is 5 plus 4 by 9? Let me solve this. If there is nothing, there is 1. So here there is 9. So this is 5 9s are 45. So this will be 45 plus 4, which is 49 by 9. So let's write it. X minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 49 by 9. Now if you want to take the square root on both the sides, taking square root on both the sides, what I will get? X minus 2 by 3, right? Because x minus 2 by 3 whole square ka root. So root of a square is the number itself. Root of square of a number is a number itself. So this is plus minus square root of 49 is 7, square root of 9 is 3. And whenever we find the square root, we write plus minus, isn't it? Because plus 7 into plus 7 is also 49. Minus 7 into minus 7 is also 49. Same is the case with 3. Plus 3 into plus 3 is 9 and minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9. So here now we can write x minus 2 by 3 is equal to positive 7 by 3. Also x minus 2 by 3 is equal to negative 7 by 3. So here x is equal to 7 by 3. Take this minus 2 by 3 on the other side. It becomes 2 by 3. Now the denominator is common, that is 3. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. So we have got one of the roots as x equal to 3. Let's see here. Now here x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Now this goes there, it becomes plus 2 by 3. So x is equal to 3 is common, minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 by 3. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3. These are the two roots of our quadratic equation. You will understand the concepts more if we do more questions. See the next question. This is in the standard form. So what we have to do? Make the coefficient of x square as 1. So if here there is 2x square, you divide by 2. You have to divide each and every term by 2. No need to divide by 0 because it already becomes 0. Right? So now we have got x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. What is our next step? Taking this constant on the other side. So we have got x square minus 5 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now, what is the next step? Do you remember? Take the coefficient of x without the sign, 5 by 2, and then divide by 2 and then square it. So 5 by 2 divided by 2 is like this. It is 5 by 4. And then simply square 5 by 4. Why we first divide it by 2 and then square it? So that here if I add that, it becomes a complete square. So I add 5 by 4 square and I subtract 5 by 4 square. Got it? Now if you see the first three terms, it is x, then here there is minus, see this last term, 5 by 4. So it is x minus 5 by 4 whole square. You can expand and check. When you will expand and check, you will see that x minus 5 by 4 square is this number. Okay, this expression. Okay. Now take this on the other side. So this is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 square 4 square. So what you get now? You get x minus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 25 by 16. So now let's take it on the other side. X minus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to, so minus 3 by 2 plus 25 by 16. I will show you here, minus 3 by 2 plus 25 by 16. So if you take 16 as the LCM, okay, so 2 8s are 16, so 3 8s are is 24, minus 24 plus 25. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square is this. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square will be equal to minus 24 plus 25. Both are different signs. So you will subtract and put the sign of the bigger one. So it will be 1 by 16. Isn't it? Now taking square root on both the sides. If I take, you have to do it in two different steps. Okay. I've done this because I have less space. So x minus 5 by 4 will be equal to plus minus square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is 4. Correct? So now I have got x minus 5 by 4 is equal to positive 1 by 4 and x minus 5 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 4. So now in this case, if I take minus 5 by 4 on the other side, so x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 6 by 4. And here x is equal to, if I take it on the other side, it becomes minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. So it becomes 4 by 4. Correct? So if I cancel it, 2, 2 and 3. So it becomes 3 by 2. So one of the x is 3 by 2 and another x is 1. So x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. I hope this is very clear to you. Let's do some more sums. So in the third one, now x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. In this, the coefficient of x square is already 1. So we don't need to do that first step. So directly take the constant on the other side. We can begin from here. X square minus 6x is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now check the coefficient of x without the sign, that is 6. So 6 divided by 2, that will give you 3. Now make the square of 3. So now you will add 3 square here and you will subtract 3 square here. Now if you check the first 3, what you will get? This is a complete square of x minus 3 whole square. Okay, immediately you can take the first term and the last term and check the sign here. If it is minus, put it minus here. If it is plus, put plus here. Okay, expand and check. Can I expand and show you? See, x minus 3 whole square is equal to x square. Now, minus 2ab, so minus 2x into 3 plus b square, so plus 3 square. So it will give you x square minus 6x plus 3 square. So that is the same thing, correct? Now take this minus 3 square on the other side, it becomes minus 8 plus 3 square. So 3 square is nothing but 9, so it is minus 8 plus 9. And what is minus 8 plus 9? It is 1, right? Positive 1. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to positive 1. Now if we take the square root on both the sides, taking square root on both the side, you will get x minus 3 is equal to plus minus 1, correct? So we will get x minus 3 is equal to positive 1 and x minus 3 is equal to negative 1. So if I take negative 3 on the other side, so x will be 1 plus 3. So x is equal to 4. Here x is equal to minus 1. Take minus 3 on the other side, it becomes plus 3. Both are different signs. So x will be, you have to subtract it and put the sign of the bigger one. Isn't it? So one of the values of x is 4 and one of the values of x is 2. I hope you have clearly understood this. Let's go ahead with the next question. Okay. Where's the question? So we have x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Right? So in this also the coefficient of x square is already 1. So we need not do that step. Take minus 20 on the other side. So we get x square plus x is equal to 20. Minus 20 becomes 20. Now see what is the coefficient of x here. If there is nothing, there is 1. So you take 1, divide by 2 and then make a square of it. So it becomes half square. Got it? So add half square here and subtract half square here. So if you see the first 3 terms, it becomes x plus, because there is a plus here, 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is equal to 20 is there. Take this minus 1 square by 2 square here. So it becomes plus 1 square by 2 square. So now you have got x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. So if you solve this, if 4 is the LCM, if you take 1 here, so 20 into 4 is 80 and then 80 plus 1. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square, x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 81 by 4. I will write it on the next page. X plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 81 by 4. Now what you will do? You will take the square root of them. So taking square root on both the sides, you will get square root of the square of a number is the number itself, right? And this is plus minus 9 by 2. Correct? Have you got it? So now x plus 1 by 2 is equal to positive 9 by 2. Also x plus 1 by 2 is equal to negative 9 by 2. So here if you take positive 1 by 2 here, it becomes x equal to 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So it becomes 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So you have got one of the values of x as 4. Now see here, take plus 1 by 2 on the other side. So x is equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 2 is the common denominator. So minus 9 minus 1. What is minus 9 minus 1? Minus 10. So it is minus 10 by 2, which is minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5. So this is how we have got two roots of this quadratic equation. I hope now things are getting clearer. Now let's see the next question. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So the first step is already done. The coefficient is already 1 here. So take this minus 5 on the other side. So we can write x square plus 2x is equal to positive 5. Because minus 5 goes there, it becomes positive 5. Now see the coefficient of x. Okay, check the coefficient of x. It is 2. So 2 has to be divided by 2. Half karte hain hum and then we take out square. So it becomes 1. So there is a 1 square. So you add 1 square and you subtract 1 square here. Now check the first three terms. What is the first term? X. What is the last term? 1. And there is a plus sign in between. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to, take this minus 1 on the other side. So it becomes 5 plus 1. So x plus 1 square is equal to 6. Now if you take the square root, like this, so you will get x plus 1 is equal to root 6. And when you take out root, it is plus minus. Now it is not a whole number. Okay, roots, it is an irrational number. So what you can do, x plus 1 is equal to positive root 6 and x minus 1 is equal to negative root 6. Correct? So now we can say x is equal to root 6 minus 1 and x is equal to minus root 6 plus 1. So you can rearrange also. This is also correct, but you can rearrange like minus 1 plus root 6, or this is 1 minus root 6. These two are the correct answers of x. So we have got two values of x here. This one is also correct. If you want to rearrange, then this is also correct. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next question. M square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. So the constant is already taken on the other side. And this is already 1. So we don't have to divide by any number. And this constant is already on the other side. So now what we will do, only see the coefficient of m. So the coefficient of m is 5. So first step is divide by 2. Next step is squaring it. So you have got m square minus 5m plus 5 by 2 square. and minus 5 by 2 whole square. And this is equal to minus 3. Now, what's the next step? See these first three terms. So it will be m minus 5 by 2 whole square. I hope this is very clear. You take this and you take this and sign you copy from here. So this will be equal to, take this on the other side, it will be minus 3 plus 5 square by 2 square. So it is equal to 4. So if it is 1 here, so 1 4s are 4, so minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So minus 12 plus 25 you will get here, and here you will get m minus 5 by 2 whole square. So minus 12 plus 25 is equal to 13, so this will be 13 by 4 and m minus 5 by 2 whole square here. Now you will take square root, so taking square root on both the sides. Now 13, it is not a perfect square, so it will become plus minus root 13 and this will become 2 and this will become m minus 5 by 2. Correct? So we will write it here. M minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus minus root 13 by 2. So we can say m minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus root 13 by 2. Also, m minus 5 by 2 is equal to negative root 13 by 2. Correct? So now take this minus 5 by 2 on the other side. So m is equal to root 13 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So 2 is the common denominator. You can write either root 13 by 5 or you can write minus 5 plus root 13. Usually these roots are written on the right hand side. So that is why we convert it and write it like this. Otherwise this is also perfect. No need to change. But this is the standard way in which root is written. So if you know the standard way, you should be writing in the standard way. Now take this on the other side. So m is equal to minus root of 13 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Sorry, here it goes there, it becomes plus. So it is 2 is common, minus root 13 plus 5. So you can interchange and write it is 5 minus root 13 by 2. Please make a note here, I have changed the sign, okay? I had forgotten. So these are the two values of m that we get. Okay students, I hope it is becoming really clear to you. Now see the next question. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 equal to 0. So there is a 9 in front of y square. So divide everything by 9. Divide everything by 9. Here no need to show. So you get, let me change, you get y square minus, now you can cancel it with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So minus 4 by 3y is plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So what is the next step? Taking 2 by 9 on the other side. So y square minus 4 by 3y is equal to negative 2 by 9. Correct? Now check the coefficient of y. It is 4 by 3. So take 4 by 3, divide by 2. So this is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It becomes 2 by 3 and then you square it. Okay, are the things clear? So you add 2 by 3 whole square here. You subtract 2 by 3 whole square here. Now check the first 3. This y. There is a minus here. So take minus. See the third term, 2 by 3. So y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 by 9. Take this on the other side. It becomes plus 2 square by 3 square. So it is minus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, which is equal to positive 2 by 9. So y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to positive 2 by 9. I will write it here again. So y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to positive 2 by 9. Now taking square root on both the sides, if I take square root here and here, I will get y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus minus square root of 2 can be written like this, and this can be written as 3. Now square root of 9 is plus minus 3. So now how we can write y minus 2 by 3 is equal to positive root 2 by 3, and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to negative root 2 by 3. So take this on the other side. So y is equal to root 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So 3 is the common denominator. So here I will get root 2 plus 2, or you can write 2 plus root 2. Anything. So this is your y. Next y is minus root 2 by 3. Take this on the other side, it becomes plus 2 by 3. So y is equal to 3 is common. You can write 2 ahead, 2 minus root 2. So this is another root of the quadratic equation. These are the two unequal roots of the quadratic equation. Let's go ahead on the next question. This is the second last question, children. So there's a 2 here in front of y square. So first step is eliminating it and making it 1. So divide everything by 2. Correct? So if you divide everything by 2, this becomes y square. This becomes plus 9 by 2y, and this becomes plus 5. Right? Next step is taking the plus 5 on the other side. So y square plus 9 by 2y is equal to minus 5. The next step is, what is the next step? See the coefficient of y. So it is 9 by 2. You first divide it by 2. So this becomes 9 by 4. And then you square it. So this number we will add here and we will subtract here. Now see the first 3 terms. So we will write y plus 9 by 4 whole square. We have completed the square. And this will be minus 5. Take this on the other side. Plus 9 square by 4 square. So what is 4 square? It is 16. So LCM पूरा 16 ले लेंगे. Okay. This is 1. So 1 into 16. So 5 into 16 is 80. So this is minus 80 plus 9 square is 81. So y plus 9 by 4 whole square is this. Now what is minus 80 plus 81? Both are different signs. So you will subtract and put the sign of the bigger one. So it will be 1. 1 by 16. Let's write it here again. Y plus 9 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 by 16. Now take the square root on both the sides. So taking square roots on both the sides, you will get y plus 9 by 4 is equal to plus minus 1 by 4. Because square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is plus minus 4. Right? So I can write y plus 9 by 4 is equal to positive 1 by 4, or y plus 9 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 4. Now take it on the other side, you will get y is equal to 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So 4 is common, you get 1 minus 9. What is 1 minus 9? Minus 8. Minus 8 by 4. Okay. So it becomes 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, and there's a minus sign. So y is equal to minus 2. This is one of the roots of the quadratic equation. Then here, take this on the other side. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So 4 is a common denominator. So it is minus 1 minus 9. So minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. Minus 10 by 4. Okay. So 2 twos are 4. 2 5s are 10. And there is a minus sign. So y is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is another root of the quadratic equation. So we have got y equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 5 by 2. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Done? Now here comes the last question. So see this. X and 7 are taken on the other side, but we want this at least here. This 7 can be on the other side already, no issues. But we will take it here only to make the calculations easier. Okay, so we have converted into the standard form. Now we have to make the coefficient as 1. So divide everything with 5. Okay, so this becomes x square minus 4 by 5x. Now take the constant on the other side, it becomes positive 7 by 5. Clear? Now what you have to see? You have to see the coefficient of x. Now coefficient of x is 4 by 5. So take 4 by 5, divide it with half. So it becomes 2 by 5. And then make the square of 2 by 5. And add the square of 2 by 5 here. And subtract the square of 2 by 5. Now see the first 3. It will be x minus 2 by 5 whole square. This will be equal to 7 by 5 is already there. Take this on the other side. It becomes plus 2 square is 4. 5 square is 25. So if I solve it, 25 is the LCM. So 5 5s are 25. So 7 5s is 35. Plus this is 4. So x minus 2 by 5 whole square. X minus 2 by 5 whole square is equal to 39 by 25. So let's go it on the next page. So x minus 2 by 5. Let me check. X minus 2 by 5 whole square is equal to 39 by 25. Now what will we do? Take the square root on both the sides. So it becomes x minus 2 by 5 is equal to plus minus 39 remains as it is, and square root of 25 is 5. Right? So we can write x minus 2 by 5 is equal to positive root 39 by 5, and x minus 2 by 5 also becomes equal to negative root 39 by 5. Correct? Now take this on the other side. So we have got x is equal to root 39 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So 5 is the common denominator. So this can be root 39 plus 2 or 2 plus root 39. Both are same. So this is one of the value of x. Next here, x is equal to minus root 39 by 5. If this comes here, it is plus 2 by 5. So 5 is the common denominator. So either write minus root 39 plus 2 or plus 2 minus root 39. So these are the two values of x that we have got. So I've explained lots and lots of examples. I hope things are very clear to you. You have understood the trick very well. Wherever you find any difficulty, just pause it, go back and watch the solution once again. So I hope I've done enough justice on completing the square method. Do not forget to watch our last video on quadratic equations, where I will explain you how to find the nature of the roots, how to find the equation if roots are given to you, and many other things on graph of quadratic equations, how to identify the roots if graphs are given, and all the interesting things that are there in quadratic equations. So till then, keep the learning on. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and write your precious comments in the comment section below. See you, my dear students, till the next video. Bye-bye.